This is the original photo and this is the expanded version of that photo. So basically I was trying to turn this vertical photo into horizontal using a feature in Canva called Magic Expand. So this feature is basically an AI that is able to guess what is the outside area from this picture. And I think this feature is quite useful for anyone that wants to turn or change the aspect ratio of a picture. However, it has this problem. So if you look closely on the generation here, you can tell that there is almost like a separation between the original picture and then the area that was created by AI. It's almost always present, especially when the background is kind of clean. So how do you deal with this problem? Well, if you're using Photoshop, I think it's kind of easy to fix this problem. You can use the blur tool and then you can blur the area between the AI area and then the original picture. But in Canva, unfortunately, we don't have such a feature. However, there is one technique that you could use to at least blur the line between the original photo and then the area that was created by AI. It is not perfect, but from what I can tell, it's actually doing quite a great job at making the separation to be less clear and therefore the photo look more natural. Let me show you how you can do it. Alright, first let's click on the picture and then click edit and then click brush right here. This is the tool that we want to use. And then you can increase or reduce the brush size, but I do recommend to make it bigger. I think I'm going to set it to be around 80. Now I'm going to select this area, the area between the original photo and the area that was created by AI. And after that, you can click Magic Eraser. Oh, I forgot about that. I think I have to duplicate this picture so we can compare it later. Sorry about that. I'm going to redo it again. Let me redo the same thing. All right, and click Magic Eraser. So since there's nothing here, I will try to fill the gap with the area that is most likely relevant to the picture, and this is the result. So I think it's a lot better than the previous picture, but if you're not quite happy with the result, you can always redo the same thing again on the area that was created by AI. You can keep doing it until the result is something that you are hoping for. Okay, and let's do it one more time. Alright, I think this one is a lot better. So I guess I'm going to accept this. And if you compare it with the previous picture, you can tell that there is a big difference between this picture and then this picture. So the line's still there, but here it's almost invisible. I think if you are wanting to make it more clear, then I do recommend to use the same method again. Keep brushing the area that you want to clear, and eventually the result is going to be a lot smoother. So that's how you can fix this invisible line when using Magic Expand in Canva. So if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a great day.